juicy chicken breast in a crunchy coating smothered in a delicious curry sauce. This is katsu curry, and I'm going to show you how to make it. First thing we're going to do is get our chicken breasts, cut them nice and thin so they're about 1 centimeter thick, dunk them in flour, egg, and then in your panko breadcrumbs. Panko is the best to give it that beautiful crunchy coating on the outside. I'm cooking these in the air fryer at 190 until they're cooked through, or you could do it in the oven. And while that's happening, we're going to make the katsu sauce. So we're going to chop up an onion and a carrot. You don't need to be too particular about this because we're going to blend it. And then you're going to heat your pan with some coconut oil in it and fry those veggies. You want to fry them for about 5 minutes on a medium to high heat until they start to soften. And then to that, you're going to add equal measures of garlic and ginger and fry that for a further 30 seconds. For spices, we're going to use a generic supermarket curry powder. I'm using mild because I'm cooking for the kids, along with a tablespoon of flour. Mix all of that through so that when you add in your stock, the flour doesn't go clumpy. And then add 500 ml of chicken stock, along with a little bit of sweetness, so we're going to use a teaspoon of honey. Last things are some soy sauce and then a bay leaf. And you want to just reduce the heat down to medium and simmer this for about 15 minutes. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once the sauce is thickened up, remove the bay leaf and then blitz it in a blender, or you could use a stick blender to get that nice and smooth. Pop it back in the pan and just give it another 5 minutes of simmering. Then once your chicken is ready, all you're going to do is slice it and plate it up. I'm having it with some rice, and then drizzle some of that yummy katsu curry sauce on top. Hope you like this recipe, and if you'd like the full recipe along with 80 others, you can get them in my new recipe book. The link you will find in the description below. See ya!